How to log in Progressive Renters Insurance. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to launch a browser in your device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for progressive.com. You'll be redirected to its official webpage, which will look something like this. To log in into your renter's insurance, all you have to do is just log in into your Progressive account. From there, you can tap on the renters option. Now to log in at the top, you will see a login button. You need to click on login. Then you will be redirected to a login portal. To log in into your Progressive account, it is pretty simple. All you need is a user ID and your password. In the given dialog box, enter your user ID, then enter the password that is linked with your account. Select on Save User ID if it's a personal device. Then tap on Login. Select Need help logging in the case of forgotten credential. For the alternative way, you can enter your email address, mailing zipping code, and your DOB and tap on Continue. Once you are reviewed and verified, you will be able to log in into your Progressive account easily. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.